Alright, we're doing the next step. What we did here is we put two heavy coats of glue on the soles, and what we did is we let the two coats completely dry. So they were completely dry, no stickiness at all. So today we just put another heavy coat, but this is now we're gonna put the soles on, because you need it to be sticky. So now we're going to just let this, it's going to loosen up the two heavy coats, and it's going to become really sticky, and this is what's going to adhere to the soles. But the one thing you do need, you need a shoe jack. You can find these at flea markets, but the thing is that I wear a size 13, so I could never find a shoe jack that big, so I just made one out of wood. It's just basically a couple layers of wood stacked up. I just put tape on it so it would slide easier into the shoe. It's mounted on a pipe, and then that's mounted in the vise. But this is where we're gonna slide the shoe on with the sole on top already stuck on, and then we're gonna take a rubber mallet and pound it. You have to do this to get a good adhesion. That's why you can't skip this process. So somehow you're going to have to pound with the sole to get the glue to stick really well. In shoe repair places, they have a press, but they still do this portion, but then they stick in a press if they have it. But this is the old way of doing it, just pounding it on with a mallet. So once the glue gets to the stage of, really sticky, you can't do it when it's wet. It's got to get to the point where it's sticky. You do have a window, that's why you kind of have to watch it. So, alright, so this will, I'll show you after, because I'm not going to set up the camera to watch me pound it on there, but I'll show you the after effects.